Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to remove people on Temu. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to first go to temu.com and log in into your account. Now, once you've logged in into your account, first thing you want to do is you want to locate your profile. So your profile is located here. Now here, when you hover over it, you will see different options here. So we want to select the option that says credit balance. Now from here at the left side, you'll see a few options again. So you want to search for your payment methods. Now in here, if you've connected your PayPal account into your account, you see people here and you have the option to remove it in here. So additionally, if you also added your cards or any other accounts that you use as a payment method, you will also be able to remove it here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.